Welcome to Dave Arbogast, your exclusive SCA Performance dealer. We have over 50 new and used lifted trucks ready for delivery. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT Black Widow lifted truck with four-wheel drive. The exterior color is the ruby red metallic tinted clear coat. It is a four-door Super Crew Cab body style. And on the inside you have black interior with Black Widow badging on the headrests. This truck includes a custom hi-hat paint job, 22-inch Black Widow offset wheels with milled accents, and on the outside there you see a 35-inch Toyo Open Country tire, along with SCA bolt-on style fender flares, wheel-to-wheel power running boards, painted grille. This truck includes a 6-inch suspension lift kit from SCA Performance. In addition to the custom Black Widow wheels, this also comes with red SCA brake caliper covers. Under the hood you have a 5.0-liter V8 TI VCT engine with a 10-speed transmission, powder-coated stainless steel dual performance exhaust upgrade, and a remote start system. This has a high-clearance front bumper and the FX4 package, which includes skid plates, tray-style floor liners, and wheel well liners. Includes a spray-in bed liner and integrated tailgate step. Fully boxed steel frame and military-grade alloyed aluminum body panels that add strength and reduces rust. Comes equipped with a 36-gallon extended range fuel tank, Sync 3 technology, and 4x4 shift on the fly. Custom Black Widow gauges. Handcrafted heated leather seats with custom stitched Black Widow headrests. Some comfort and convenience features on this vehicle include voice-activated navigation, Bluetooth, and a twin-panel panoramic sunroof. Call 888-919-1635 to schedule your VIP test drive and find out why Dave Arbogast is driven to satisfaction.